Have you ever witnessed something so utterly alien, something that defies all conventional understanding, a sight that makes you question the very boundaries of what's possible, so incredibly advanced, it makes you question if it's even from this planet? Is it a glimpse into a future we can barely imagine, or perhaps something else? Meet the Northrop B-2 Spirit? It's not a bird, gracefully soaring through the heavens, not quite a plane, the kind you see ferrying passengers across continents, more like a menacing boomerang, silently arcing across the night sky, or a stealthy intergalactic manta ray gliding through the inky blackness of space. It looks like it flew straight out of a superhero film, a vehicle of unimaginable power and mystery. When it first emerged from the shadows, the world gasped, collectively holding its breath in awe and disbelief. What was it? What purpose did it serve? Its existence was shrouded in secrecy, a closely guarded secret hidden from prying eyes. Then, suddenly, there it was, unveiled to the world, a flying wing, a radical departure from conventional aircraft design, sleek and black, a dark silhouette against the vast expanse of the sky, missing all the usual airplane features, defying expectations at every turn. No tail fin, no obvious fuselage, just pure aerodynamic witchcraft, a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. It's the kind of machine that makes people stop and stare, their jaws dropping in astonishment. But here's the real secret. The truth that lies beneath the surface. The B-2 isn't just designed to look intimidating, its beauty is more than skin deep. That unique shape serves a very specific purpose, a purpose far more profound than mere aesthetics. It's designed to be invisible, to slip through the skies undetected. Not literally, of course, but invisible to radar, a ghost in the electronic spectrum, and the system's meant to shoot it down, rendering it virtually untouchable. It's a ghost, haunting the skies, a phantom, elusive and ethereal, a whisper in the wind, barely perceptible, yet undeniably present. Every curve, meticulously crafted to deflect radar waves, every angle, precisely calculated to minimize its radar cross-section, every material, carefully selected for its radar-absorbing properties, is the result of mind-bending engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. We're talking about technology so advanced, so cutting-edge, it still feels like science fiction, ripped from the pages of a futuristic novel. So buckle up, prepare for takeoff. We're about to dive into why the B-2 Spirit is a masterpiece of human ingenuity, a symbol of technological prowess. This isn't just a cool-looking plane, it's more than meets the eye. It's a marvel of science, a testament to the power of human innovation, and a little bit of dark magic, a touch of the uncanny that makes it truly extraordinary. Let's see what makes it so extraordinary. What secrets lie hidden within its sleek black form. To understand why America built the B-2, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of stealth, you have to go back to the Cold War, a period defined by tension, fear, and the constant threat of nuclear annihilation. Two superpowers, the USA and the Soviet Union, stood on opposite sides of an ideological divide, were locked in a nuclear standoff. Each nation possessed enough firepower to obliterate the other, creating a precarious balance of power. In this tense atmosphere where the stakes were impossibly high, military minds dreamed of a bomber that couldn't be seen, a strategic asset that could penetrate enemy defenses with impunity. A machine that could slip past enemy radar and missile batteries undetected, delivering its payload without warning. The idea, deliver a payload with pinpoint accuracy, then vanish like a thief in the night, leaving no trace but the aftermath. Stealth wasn't new, but the scale of the challenge was unprecedented. Planes like the SR-71 Blackbird, a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft, and F-117 Nighthawk had already pushed boundaries, demonstrating the potential of stealth technology. But a long-range bomber needed to carry a massive load, far exceeding the capacity of existing stealth aircraft, fly huge distances, across continents and oceans, and stay invisible for hours, evading sophisticated detection systems. The challenge was immense, pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering. The technology didn't even exist yet, requiring groundbreaking innovations in materials science, aerodynamics, and electronic warfare. Northrop engineers, inspired by their founder Jack Northrop's flying wing experiments, a radical design that minimized radar reflection, saw their chance to redefine the future of aerial warfare. The call went out: build something that can go anywhere, do anything, and never be seen. A seemingly impossible task. The physics were daunting, the risks high, with the potential for failure looming large, but the need was undeniable. driven by the existential threat of nuclear war. The invisible bomber had to be born, a testament to human ingenuity and determination, and it had to be spectacular, a symbol of American technological superiority. The B-2 would become the ultimate answer to Cold War paranoia, a silent guardian watching over the world. It was a leap into the unknown, driven by necessity and vision, a gamble on the future of warfare, and it changed the game forever, ushering in a new era of stealth technology and strategic deterrence. Let's talk about that shape, the flying wing. It's a design that defies conventional aircraft aesthetics, and for very good reason. It's not just for looks. There's a purpose behind every angle, every curve, and every seemingly arbitrary design choice. Every line and curve is there to fool radar. It's a carefully orchestrated dance between aerodynamics and stealth technology. Traditional planes reflect radar like disco balls. They're essentially giant metal reflectors in the sky. The B-2 does the opposite. It aims to be as invisible as possible to radar detection. Its wing shape, with no tail fins, is a key element in this deception. And a flat profile minimizes its radar signature from any angle, deflects radar waves away instead of bouncing them back. It's like a stealthy ninja, redirecting attacks rather than absorbing them. Jack Northrop dreamed of flying wings in the 1940s, envisioning a future where aircraft seamlessly blended with the sky. But only now did computers and control systems make them stable. The technology simply wasn't there to realize his vision until decades later. A flying wing is naturally unstable, lacking the inherent stability of traditional aircraft designs. But the B-2's fly-by-wire system is the key to making it all work. Makes thousands of adjustments per second to keep it steady. It's a constant, real-time battle against instability. The leading edges are sharply swept, further contributing to its stealth capabilities. Engine intakes are hidden on top, shielding them from radar detection from below, and every surface is blended smooth. There are no sharp angles or abrupt transitions to create radar reflections. Even the bomb bay doors fit perfectly flush, no radar reflecting gaps. It's a testament to precision engineering and meticulous design. The whole aircraft is a masterclass in stealth technology, in reducing radar cross-section, or RCS. Every aspect of its design contributes to minimizing its radar footprint. The goal: make this massive bomber appear on radar as something no bigger than a bird, or even an insect. A truly remarkable feat of engineering. It's not just clever, it's revolutionary. It redefined what was possible in aircraft design. The B-2's shape is stealth in its purest form. It's a testament to the power of innovative thinking. Every detail is about survival in hostile skies. It's designed to penetrate heavily defended airspace undetected. It's a flying illusion, engineered to disappear. A ghost in the machine, if you will. That's why it looks like nothing else on Earth. Its unique form is a direct result of its unique mission, and why it works. It's a silent guardian, watching over the world. Shape alone isn't enough for true stealth. The B-2's skin is part of the magic. Enter radar-absorbent materials, or RAM, high-tech coatings that soak up radar waves. When radar hits these materials, much of the energy is absorbed and turned into heat, not reflected. The B-2 is covered in these exotic materials from leading edges to undersides. The exact recipe is top secret, but it involves advanced composites and special paints. These materials are engineered at the molecular level to interact with specific radar frequencies. The science is staggering, chemistry and physics working in harmony. But there's a catch. RAM is delicate. Bad weather, rain, or even careless maintenance can damage it. Keeping the B-2's skin perfect is crucial for stealth. That's why these bombers spend so much time in climate-controlled hangars, pampered by expert technicians. Every inch of that magic skin must be flawless. It's a constant, painstaking effort, but it's what keeps the B-2 a ghost in the sky, and it's worth every bit of trouble. Stealth isn't just about shape and skin. The engines are a huge challenge. Jet engines are hot, noisy, and love to reflect radar. The B-2's 4 engines are buried deep inside the wing, hidden from radar below and the sides. The intakes are on top, making them hard for ground-based radar to spot. Jet exhaust is hot and visible to heat-seeking missiles, so the B-2 uses non-afterburning engines to reduce heat. The exhaust nozzles are wide, flat, and on the upper wing, mixing hot gases with cold air to mask the heat signature. Even contrails are considered. The B-2 can change altitude to avoid leaving visible trails. Every detail is engineered to avoid detection, by radar, heat sensors, or even the naked eye. Taming those engines was essential for the B-2's ghostly mission. It's a masterpiece of stealth engineering. The result: power without a trace. That's how you make a bomber disappear. So how does it all come together? The B-2's shape, skin and engines work in perfect harmony. The goal: reduce the radar cross-section, or RCS, to almost nothing. The flying wing shape deflects radar waves away, while RAM absorbs what's left. The result: a massive bomber that appears on radar as a bird or even an insect. It's not truly invisible, but it's incredibly hard to detect, track or target. And if a radar does get a lock, the B-2 has electronic warfare systems to jam and deceive. It's the ultimate game of hide and seek at 40,000 feet. Stealth isn't one trick, it's a symphony of science and engineering. The B-2 is the conductor, and the world's defenses are left guessing. Beyond stealth, the B-2's range is astonishing. It's a strategic bomber that can fly over 6,000 nautical miles, more than 11,000 kilometers, without refueling. That's New York to Tokyo, non-stop, and with aerial refueling it can stay airborne for over 40 hours. Pilots endure marathon missions, flying deep into hostile territory and back. The B-2 carries up to 40,000 pounds of bombs, conventional or nuclear. Its reach and payload make it a unique, terrifying tool. It can strike anywhere, anytime, undetected. That's true global power projection, and it's all done in silence. The B-2 may be a ghost, but it's made its mark in real combat. Its first missions were in Kosovo, flying 30-hour round trips from Missouri, striking targets and returning unseen. In Afghanistan and Iraq, B-2S flew legendary missions, some lasting over 44 hours, hitting high-value targets and paving the way for other aircraft. In Libya, two B-2S destroyed much of the Libyan Air Force in a single night. The psychological impact is huge. Knowing an invisible bomber can strike at will is deeply unsettling for any adversary. The B-2 is a whisper in the sky that screams capability. Its legend grows with every mission. The Northrop B-2. Spirit isn't just expensive, it's a triumph of engineering. Over $2 billion per aircraft, but worth every cent for what it achieves. It's the result of decades of research in aerodynamics, materials, propulsion, and electronic warfare. The B-2 turned the dream of a flying wing into reality, pushing the limits of stealth. Its design, unearthly shape, radar-absorbing skin, hidden engines, complex controls, shows relentless pursuit of perfection. Every system is optimized for one goal: invisibility and survival. It's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The B-2 has influenced a generation of aircraft designers. It's an icon, a symbol of technological supremacy, and a marvel of modern engineering. Yes, it's a weapon, but it's also a monument to what's possible when brilliant minds push the limits. The Spirit truly soars above the rest. Even if you're not a fan of military hardware, you have to stand back and applaud, loudly.